Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, this is Trystin Larson. She is now going to attempt something, a feat of great importance.
Adriana Larson.
And here she is.
Hey guys! So, I am going to have an eating contest. Not a contest, but I'm going to show you how long it takes me to eat this. As you saw, I kind of cheated. Oh well. So let me take the wrapper off first. And then we'll start. And cheese that Chick-fil-A.
You almost got disqualified. Doing pretty good. Is it getting difficult?
My tongue started. All you guys. Poop.
Loose tooth, huh?
Is it out?
Make sure you don't eat that tooth.
It's still there. And there's much more. Okay, folks, that's all it on the next dive of Chick-fil-A show. Justin, stop. Next show.
It's not done yet.
Chick-fil-A show. And she's still eating.
You're up to 3 minutes.
Worse than that, because you talked.
No, you're up to, you started at 38 seconds, so now it's 3 minutes and 53 seconds, so almost a minute and a half now. I mean 3.5 minutes. You're doing good though. You're doing good. You're doing wonderful.
This is going to take a while, folks. Why don't you get on the robber now? Face it to the robber. No, not yet. I'm ready. Face it to me. Now. Okay, now you face it down. I'm ready.
Don't shoot. I didn't do nothing.
By the way, don't delete this one. Ah. Looking good. It's fast.
No, cut back. Come on, you can pause it. We'll go find that one. There he is.
Almost done. You're at 5 minutes.
You said 3 minutes.
Well, now it's 5. It's been 2 minutes since then. And finished. And almost finished. Hurry, chew, chew, chew.
Done.
Done.
There, now follow her. Follow Brielle.
You did it in 5 minutes
Why are you?
and 18 seconds. 5 minutes and 18 seconds.
So contestants, we've done it for 5 minutes and 13 seconds. So